Let me show you what to do if your Xiaomi phone doesn't want to properly charge. Either when you insert your cable it doesn't charge at all, or also maybe the charger doesn't even goes fully inside and it's very loose. Maybe if you touch your cable a bit, the charging stops or disconnects, or any charging problem. So the most common cause of this is you simply might have something stuck inside your charging port. Maybe when you place your phone in pocket, maybe some lint from pocket gets stuffed inside there. Essentially also every time you plug in your cable, you're going to stuff it in even further, and eventually it will even stop charging like completely. Thankfully there's actually fairly easy fix for this, so we can simply clean it out. So for this we're going to need maybe like a toothbrush. A dust blower like this also is very helpful, and most importantly a tiny soy needle, so like the smallest you can get. So again, it has to be very tiny. So we are going to clean it. So for example, this is our Type-C charger port. So in the middle you have one main strip which has got tiny connectors where the charger essentially plugs in and provides charge and also data transfer. So we obviously do not want to touch this middle strip and those connectors. So again, using our needle, we are going to simply insert inside and in a scooping motion try to fish out whatever might be inside. Again, also move from side to side to properly dislodge, and repeat on the other side as well. So let me show you how to do that, for example, on this phone over here. So this, for example, is what it looks like. I would take my needle and insert it all the way in. So you see, all the way in. Oh, also I suggest to turn off your phone as well before doing it. And also make sure to hold your phone like this so everything can fall out. So yep, let's take our needle here, and you see insert inside, and in a scooping motion try to get out whatever might be inside. Again, you can move from side to side to properly dislodge, and repeat it on the other side. Well, these scissors might be something there. So you see, maybe some like lint from pocket, maybe inside. So literally see, like some junk. So again, that was probably what was plugging up our charger port. So again, this is extremely common, and you kind of need to simply clean this from time to time. So again, wiggle back and forth. So again, do not touch the middle strip. And after you're done with the needle, maybe take again like a dust blower. Yeah, for example, this one maybe it costs like $1 only. So it's called camera dust blower. So you see, I can blow it inside to properly blow out all the junk that I just managed to dislodge with a tiny needle. And also we can follow up with a toothbrush as well. So you see, simply brush it out, also focus on those corners. Again, properly brushed out. We want to dislodge whatever might be inside in the port properly. And again, follow up with a blower to blow out all the junk that we managed to dislodge. So yeah, overall needle, the tiniest you can get, is best relief for this. So insert inside and simply again on the bottom and on the top. Simply, yeah, get everything out. Also, after you do this, also verify that your cable also is okay, because over time obviously this can also wear down, especially in this part as you are bending it. So check if it's still okay. Also, if you look inside, you see there's also kind of like gap as well where something can get stuck inside. So verify that it's still okay. So if you, for example, insert in the phone, the hold should be like super good. So you see, it's even able to hold the phone properly. So you see, you can even shake it, dangle. So you see, it kind of like locks into the place. So if everything is okay, the port is clean, and also cable is good. Okay, good luck.